Sea rod fishing here on Thursday, March 16, and I'm in Boca Raton in Florida. We're going to see what this Quebec rod and reel and tackle can do. It's a walleye classic. I know the species around here very well. I think I just saw a goldfish in there, but who knows. I'm just going to cast around and try to find some fish. Pretty sweet turtle in here. Hey, buddy. So my buddy Dave did some research, told me that this was a good spot here. He checked it on a fishing map, and so I tried fishing here. And this is where I connected. Oh yeah, that's a fish. That's a fish. Oh man, I want to see it. It's fighting like a bass. Oh, sick. First Florida fish. Okay, this thing is taking off. Yeah, this thing is pretty strong. It's a nice fish. Oh my god. Oh my god. Nice. What is that, a beaver fish? No, that's something weird and tropical. Crap. Oh, sweet! Get my pliers so I don't get bit. I have no idea what this is called. What is this fish? This is huge. Damn. Alright. Thanks for the fight, buddy. Woohoo! Fish number 1 down in Florida. Gonna continue this video another day. Time to go party.